Hello everyone, my name is Pradul Mishra and I'm the co-founder and CTO at VGSolver Private Limited. And in the last video, we have seen how to create a lead and assign it to a team member, and how can they add or track the activities on that particular list and add notes on that particular list. So that is what we have learned in the last video. And in this video, the same lead, what we are going to do is, out of the same lead, we are going to understand and create a way wherein we can convert this particular lead into a customer, right? Or we can create an opportunity out of it, and we can create a quotation of this and then prospect. This is what we are going to understand one by one, right? So if you want to, like, if you have added all the information of this particular client over here, right, uh, and you want to convert this into a customer, right? So what you have to do is you have to click on this create, okay, and convert it into a customer. Okay, so you will see that all the information of that particular customer which we have added will automatically come over here, right? We can put the GST in of that particular person if we have it, accounting, sales team, okay, all those things which we can do. I'll just save it, right? Now, for example, later on, after you have created this customer, you have got to know about its address, right? So maybe I'll just create an address of this particular customer. So I'll write 4652010, right? What I'll call is IT hub, second floor, Hyderabad. And I'll just write billing address and shipping address and save it. Okay, so you'll see that this address is created, and this is my billing and shipping address of the following customer. Okay, I'll just reload it. Okay, so you can see that customer's billing address is already created, and I'll select this as a primary address only for that particular customer. So this is how you can create a customer from a lead. Now I'll come again to this lead, because now this is a customer. It says that it is converted, right? So I'll just save this particular customer or lead. Now, for example, we want to create